Now, I'm very late to this explore, mainly because I didn't think there was any point in going to it, it was that far gone. But I came up here with Elise to help her record her video, so thank you for showing me it. There's actually more here than I thought there was. These are the old posts, the gate posts. Used to be a lovely gate that said Sheffield Ski Village on it, and it had some like cutouts of skiers going down slopes on it. This would have been the car park, which you can see the lines with roads, the cars parked either side. Car parks aren't that interesting. But as we carry on down, somewhere within all the reedy horrible things, that's where the main building used to be. And this place has been plagued by arsons. The first fire, I believe, was accidental in 2012, and then from then on it was just arson after arson, to the point that it was unrepairable, and they just gave up on the site. I mean, that's a burnt tyre. There we go, that's one of the slopes that they had. I think it was about 8. This place is so far gone that it is completely open, and people just go walking through it quite regularly. But this is the artificial slope matting. Very rough. Presumably quite a lot of aluminium used in this. And it kind of makes a snow crunchy noise. And then beside the charred remains of whatever this building was, it used to be a toboggan run. Well, I think if this wasn't a toboggan run, I'd be surprised. People have been using it to chuck tyres down there. Oh, it is some kind of matting. It just looks awful when it's gone all black. So it'd be horrible to go down. It's probably one of those that you might take a rubber ring down. Oh, there's one of the mats. That would have been at the end, like a buffer. Well, to stop you hitting these massive gate posts, apparently. This aggregate looks fairly new. It makes it a lot easier to climb up. Oh, there's one of the ramps here. Oh, this is a different surface to the other one. Oh, actually, heck of a lot more grip here. That's quite good. I say that, I was on the verge of slipping then. Oh my god. That would have been that's quite a jump to stop just there. Still some piece of infrastructure left. Yeah, that's quite a daunting drop. weird going down them. This is definitely the more extreme slope, having all these ramps. What is it called? A half pipe? Half pipe, that's the one. I've seen some developers have plans to try and revitalise it as some kind of extreme hill to do sports on, such as an artificial slope, but mainly mountain biking. So it's quite a big sport here. Seen like a more of a realistic one with a hub building down at the bottom. Was it actually? It was a hub building at the top, and then loads of BMX tracks. Don't think that one had a ski slope. There was a ski slope one version of it outdoors, the other version indoors, which is ridiculous. They wanted to build a cable car, probably down to the tram stop, just over there on the main road. It'll be cool, but that seems like a ridiculous amount of money. Chill factor ain't that far away. Climbed up the other slope to the top last time. Ooh, was this a lift or was this a jump? Obviously it was a bridge at some point, but it seems like a lift just because there's this steep bit, and then the top here would be the return. I don't know, I can't actually see any evidence of that. Oh, crap. Okay, no, if I go down that bit I will fall. I'm not entirely sure if this place didn't set on fire, if it still would be here today. Skiing is popular, but it's just also expensive. I know it's an outdoor slope and it'll probably be a heck of a lot cheaper than an indoor one, like chill factor. But I don't know if it could sustain itself. A lot of the brown signs in Sheffield still have it on. Now it's 11 years past. I'm gonna go to the other slope. And hopefully it's not too windy, although that's asking for a lot. See if I can get the drone up. Oh, look how charred these trees are. That's awful. This, I'm pretty sure was a lift because there is a pole down there that's angled 90° outwards. It would also be incredibly bumpy to ride that, so it's probably designed if you fell off, you should be able to stop yourself. Though it is quite steep for that. I think that's pretty much it. Alright, drone time.